Alright. So, we have this problem, right? Somehow we have to be able to see some kind of relation between 3 pi radian divided by 13 and 8 pi radian divided by 13 or 10 pi radian divided by 13. So that somehow we will be able to see something like, let's say, cos A cos B plus or minus sin A sin B, or something of that form. Something of that form, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. But the angles, we want to have angles same here and here, right? That's the thing. These angles are all different, right? Here you have 3 pi, here you have 5, here you have 8, here you have 10, all of them are different. But if you look at it carefully, there is a relation between this one and this one. What's the relation? The relation is if you subtract pi minus 3 pi radian divided by 13 is how much?
10 pi
divided by 13.
10 pi divided by
13.
So 10 pi radian can be written as pi minus 3 pi radian divided by 13. Isn't it? 10 pi radian divided by 13 can be written as this one. This one can be written as this one. Similarly, pi minus 5 pi divided by 13 can be is equal to 13 pi minus 5 pi, right? Equals to 8 pi divided by 13. So 8 pi can be written as this thing. 8 pi by 13 can be written as this. This one can be written as this. So that's the trick. That's the thing, you know. I think more or less we are done now, once we know this. Let's keep this one here. So, now, cos, I will write this one as the same thing. I'm going to remove this radian sign, okay? Cos 5 pi divided by 13 minus cos
5 pi minus 5 pi
minus
5 pi divided by 13 cos 5 minus
5 minus 13.
3 pi divided by 13
3 pi divided by 13. What to do? Alright. Okay. Alright, so
cos 3 pi divided by 13
I'm going to copy whatever is there for the moment.
180 minus theta.
So cos pi minus something. Pi is 90 times 2.
80.
So it's 180.
180 minus theta.
180 minus theta. Let's write that down. Cos
minus
cos
theta.
Cos, does it change? No.
No.
Because this is even multiple of 90.
Minus cos theta.
Cos theta, whether it's positive or negative?
Negative.
Because it's in the second. So minus.
Minus
So I have to
plus.
write one more minus here, right?
and then plus
So,
cos
minus
cos 5 by 3 cos
similarly, that
minus
is also going to be the same.
minus cos 3 pi by 13. Oh no.
So
Minus plus.
cos 3 pi by 13
5 by 13 minus
Minus plus.
cos cos
Don't get excited, huh? It's good to see some excitement. I like that.
cos
Good to see excitement when you are doing mathematics.
0.
Oh, what can be done? Can we use some formula, Sujata? Huh?
Dai.
We cut grass. We take a knife and cut.
Dai त्यसले हो होला हैन माइनसले होला त्यो माइनस हो नि
Yeah, these are two. This one is multiplying this one. This one times this one is minus minus positive. And this one times this one is this one minus is minus. Minus is for both.
सुरुमा त्यो बाहिरकोले
It's one entity. When you multiply, it becomes one. Do you understand?
सुरुमा बाहिरकोले भित्रकोलाई खोल्ने कि भित्रकोले बाहिर भित्र
Doesn't matter. You, minus times minus is plus.
Plus.
Plus times minus is minus. Alright. So.
Cancel.
0.
When you subtract it,
1 minus 1 0.
Yes.
1 minus 1 0. There is 1 here. I don't see 1.